Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check Excel is updated so protected view rules match Microsoft's latest behavior. Updates often change trust settings. If the file was downloaded, right-click the file in Explorer, choose Properties and click Unblock, then Apply. Once done, open Excel directly using File Open and select the file. This forces Excel to evaluate protected view immediately and surfaces the security banner if it still applies. You now modify Excel's Trust Center to resolve persistent protected view flags. Navigate to File Options, Trust Center Settings. This is where Excel enforces protected view. Uncheck only the specific protected view options you need disabled. Doing all three increases risk, because these boxes control files from the internet, unsafe locations, and Outlook attachments. Next, add the files folder to trusted locations so Excel won't open future files in protected view, and make sure to confirm the change. You finish by taking the final steps to re-enable full editing and troubleshoot remaining problems. When the yellow protected view bar appears, click Enable Editing if you trust the file. That immediately restores normal functionality. If Enable Editing is missing or errors continue, run an Office repair via Control Panel or disable COM add-ins in Options Add-ins. Add-ins can block editing. If problems persist, test opening the file in a fresh Windows user profile to determine whether the issue is user-specific versus system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.